It's a karate kitten trained in Japan, madam. It's the only karate kitten in India. What does it do? Rohit asked curiously. Karate, said the shopkeeper. It will give you a lot of entertainment. Karate? Rohit and his mother shouted at once. The shopkeeper placed an old chair in the middle of the shop. Then he brought a little kitten. It was white and cute. When he said, Kitten karate chair, the kitten jumped onto the chair with vigor. In a matter of seconds, the kitten broke the chair into pieces. Wow! Rohit jumped with joy. What a wonderful kitten! Janaki paid for the kitten. Rohit and his mother left for their house. Have you ever seen such a kitten? How is it different from other kittens? What would Rohit and his mother do after they brought the kitten home? When they reached home, they made Karate Kitten smash old boxes, crockery, and other useless articles. Rohit was very excited and waiting for his father. He was curious to tell him about the Karate Kitten.